and welcome back. This is Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have a quick flip through for you of this fun mini album I created with the Happy Hunting collection from Simple Stories. Now, I picked up the collection pack, which was the 12 by 12 pattern papers, and it had the sticker included, and then also I picked up the ephemera pack. So the cover of this album has those fun pieces from the ephemera pack as focal elements and a nice large sentiment, and then I used one of the larger journal cards for my background. That was a great way to get a little bit of extra use out of this glorious pink Halloween plaid. I created some flowers here as well, and then instead of using sequins, I used my die cut that cuts holly berries and just cut that from some beautiful gold glitter cardstock, and it helps to bring out the color and sparkle out to the edges. I put just a second smaller flower arrangement here at the top and a little bit of a loopy twine bow, and here's some fun coordinating charms to decorate the front cover. So it's all held in with this beautiful pink plaid ribbon from Really Reasonable Ribbon. And I used a combination of the journal cards for this because often I overlook these larger journal cards because the images are bigger, but I think that for this book it really actually works well because you can do a lot of journaling on the background and then also add some smaller pictures or flat keepsakes if you went to a haunted house or something that you wanted to include there. And then here's where I put those smaller journal cards. These are my smaller tip-ins, and I covered the back of them with the cards that were meant to have writing so that this would be a great place to add your journaling. So these pages have two of the larger journal cards and then one smaller tip-in, and then each of these pages as well come out, so they are full page tip-ins, and I utilized some of the offcuts to mat a picture frame that's just and also I left part of that spider web loose so a picture can be tucked in behind. So this gives you lots of room to add pictures, and this is layered with more of those stickers and gold dots. So the next set of pages is actually fairly similar with the larger journal cards, and then I worked in a cute oval with a scalloped edge on that and more of those ephemera pack flowers, a sweet little ghost, and a foil star on the top, and then also finish the back of this journal card with more of that other smaller journal card and more of those same elements across the middle, the cute tombstones and stars, and then this mirrors the other page, has the little boy ghost and the little girl ghost on the side. So this is perfectly ready to add your pictures to, and it's already embellished. So I really utilized a lot of those stickers and ephemera pieces because they're flat so that I could work a lot of them into this little book. Now, instead of the next page opening up, you have to flip it over, and on the back side there is a tuck spot so you can tuck your picture in to this stripe, and there's more of those sweet pumpkins and stars and a tombstone, which would be cute if you had a picture right here. It would be like a nice frame, and this is an actual frame, one of the instant photo style that I like to make with my square Sizzix dies, and I just made it covering the back, and then you can slip a picture in underneath here and it will be matted with that photo frame. So I've got some black doily here, and this is one of my Bow Bunny dies, and just created two smaller doilies to balance that out and a larger silver star. So the back is finished as well with the coordinating pattern paper. All you have to do is fill up your album and tie it closed to secure, and you're all set to document those fun holiday memories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.